Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have an at-home laser hair removal that has ice cooling protection that will cover your whole body. Alright, so we got this in-home hair removal. This is safe for most hair removals because the company is using the safe effective for their customers. The wavelengths between 510 nm and 755 nm is the best use and safe for hair removal. So first off, we're going to dive into the box. So we're going to put that aside and see what we get in the box. See, first off, you see a user manual. You do get a mesh bag so you can carry it with you on the way. It's got a drawstring. Then you also have the user manual. This just basically tells you everything about this device. So using this, you can achieve long-lasting results for a fraction of the cost, all from the comfort of your home. This has an ultra-high rear energy with excellent results. The energy of the device is adjusted from level 1 to 5. It is high enough to damage the bulge cells that are not high to cause discomfort or burns. The treatment is an average of 5 to 7 treatments is needed to have 80 to 90% hair reduction. So this is the sections. They say you can do your armpits, your face, your legs, your arms. Here are some more instructions. They say first off, go ahead and shave the hairs you have. Step 2, turn on the device. Step 3, you have the cooling device. Make sure you use your glasses. You just aim it and push the little trigger. So depending on the area being treated, some area requires no more treatments. Different skin sensitivities and exposure settings may lead to different user experience, starting from power level 1 and work your way up as needed. So the precision mode is armpit, face, and bikini line. The glide mode covers the arms, legs, and back. So the precision mode and glide mode, the treatments are very fast with a gliding mode, especially good for big areas like your legs. So included with this, you do get a little razor to shave off all the hair. So that comes separate. You also get a pair of sunglasses. And then you do get a set of different changing face plates to cover different areas. You do have a smaller area which would do your face. So which is the precision heads. As soon as we get this plastic off the glasses, this is recommended using this every time you use this hair removal. So now the precision heads for spot treatments, greater precision and ultimate control. Using the precision head is recommended. This allows for easy treatment for smaller areas on your body such as underarms, chin, cheeks, and lips, as well as more sensitive places such as the bikini area. For precisions on small areas, the precision mode is the way to go. So you have the smaller one and you have a little bigger one which covers the bigger areas. So this does have a dynamic cooling system. The hair removal is a fuss-free, pain-free, and revolutionary experiences for hair removal. The hair removal treatment is used dynamic cooling system which prepares the skin for treatment by covering the skin surface with a semiconductor cooling plate just milliseconds before the pulse. It helps ensure that the hair removal treatment is as comfortable as they are effective. So then right here you get the plug. This is a standard 110 plug. You would need to plug this into the device as well as into your 110 outlet. This is super easy to use, easy to hold. The ergonomic grip is comfortable and easy to use, easy to operate. It is easy to hold at an angle that is meant to help you comfortably angle the device toward your hard to reach areas such as the armpit, bikini area, or behind your legs. This comes with 999,999 flashes, so you got many times to use this. The IPL 1 million short lifespan test. The device is equipped with quality dual quartz crystal for the infinity that is capable of removing hairs from more than 20 years. So here is your little information at the bottom. You have your little trigger. So when you have this thing plugged in, you will start feeling a little fan blow. Here is your LED display. You have your power on, and you have your cooling mode. So it does not work unless you plug it in. So you'll need to plug in this into the 110 outlet. So the plug goes right in here. So you can save yourself time and money from going to a salon. You can only use this at home or wherever you want to go. It is nice, discreet, and comfortable. This does have a 180-day money-back guaranteed. You will see results after 5 to 6 weeks, but it's worth the investment rather than having to pay thousands at a salon, so you can do it in the comfort of your own privacy. So like I said, they have these little heads. So you got the bigger areas, so around your cheeks, your chin. The smaller area would be around your mustache line, maybe the hair between your eyebrows. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug it in, and then we're going to turn it on, and we're going to show you how it works. So right here, the LED display says off. So once you push the light on, the power button on, it will light up, and then we'll just click on, and it tells you how many flashes you have. So now we're going to go ahead and try this. So they have the dynamic cooling. It just tells you how many pulses it has. And then you would just cover your area like that. You would push the little button once you're ready, but make sure you do wear the provided glasses so it does not hurt your eyes. So let's go ahead and start this on. You just push this button right here. You can see it flash. So now we're going to put on our glasses to make sure we don't damage our sight. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the hand area. You got a couple seconds between each flashes. You can do your finger areas. Back to your hand. They recommend doing this a couple times a week. You could do it every day, a few minutes if you like. The more you use it, it seems the faster you see the results. You'll start seeing the results in 5 to 6 weeks. And here is the display of how many flashes you have. You can see it said 999999, but I've used a few of them, so now it's 999998. You can also set it so where it counts down, so the flash will go off, like you can see right here. So it does take a bit to cover your area if you decide to do your whole legs and arms and hands and armpits and face. The more you do it, the more you'll start seeing results. They just recommend 2 minutes a day, and you should start seeing results within 5 to 6 weeks. This is a really nice device. I've used this a bit. I like it. You got the little cooling fan here, so whenever time you hit the button, you don't feel any hot or any burning sensations. I'd say definitely check this one out if you're looking for home removal of your hair without having to go to any salon. This one is definitely a keeper.